Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can remove a card from your iCloud. It's very simple thing to do. For this, what you have to do, first go to settings from your iPhone. Now, what you have to do, from the settings, select your profile icon. Now, here you will see an option, payment and shipping. Tap on it. Then in this section you will see your added card here. Just click on your card. Then you will see an option, remove or delete. Just tap on it and it will be removed from your iCloud. So that's it. If That's how you can delete your card from your iCloud. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.